BubblyNet is disrupting the lighting control industry by eliminating control cabinets, by eliminating control hubs, eliminating control wiring. BubblyNet embeds intelligence in all its devices, controlling the lighting by zone or controlling the lighting at fixture level. Inside every switch, sensor, and controller, there is a heart pumping at 4 billion beats per minute, delivering incredible computing power. Embedded are over 100 functions, dimming curves, dynamic colors, multiple schedules, groups, sensor automation, and so much more. All functions are coordinated within the Bluetooth Mesh Open protocol that enables each luminaire to interact directly with the many thousands of devices required on large and sophisticated projects. Welcome to Smart Lighting.